Go to Product Layouts. Create Caption Layouts. There are different type product layout. To pick a style, click Create Style. I set a name, for example, and save. Successfully create our layout. Go to Product Query. I set -1. For example, we show all product in a page. We can use shortcodes anywhere, but as an example, I'm using shortcodes to display layouts on a page. Copy the shortcode. Back to dashboard and create a new page. Set a title. Paste the shortcode. Publish and view page. This is our attractive product layout. Thanks for watching the video.